Hello everyone, in this video we will demonstrate the new improvement in the advanced search, that is Search Center control for Notes Client V12. This is the Search Center presented at the top of right corner of Notes Client UI. If we compare the Search Center bar with the previous release of Notes Client, example 10.0x and 11.0x, we notice search box length is increased. The search box is prominently placed for the user. Along with that, the box next to it, which is the scope, that also has been changed. The earlier release, it is used to show the icon, and now it is labeled with the text along with the icon. This helps user to understand in which particular view the search get done currently. If you see the drop down, it will look like this. Whenever a user clicks or keeps the focus on the search bar, when search bar is empty, the drop down has two sections: recent search history to quickly execute a previous search, and quickly search on recently navigated Notes applications. When you search in Notes application, it will open that particular application and focus of search center change and application name available in the search box. Now next search will be happening in that Notes application database using the search center. So here we can see test user 1 search result available. With this new improvement, you can search using type ahead, people or subject, and also search normally. As soon as you start typing in the search center, you will get type ahead, people, subject options. So here people will have the contacts and subjects will have text. When you keep on typing information, it will updating and provide matching information by itself. Example, now if we type TES, it will display matching information with TES word in people and subject. Now if I have select the contact test user 1/acme in inbox, it will display search result with respect to test user 1/acme in the inbox. Similarly, if I type T in and select subject pictures, it displays the message as a result with respect to the matching word in the subject of the message. One more thing you may have observed here, whatever we search here will get added in the search history or recent search. The latest search will be added on the top, and this way it goes on. This will make our search easy and effortless. Here is the show more option. When you click, the list gets expanded and it tries to show as many entries as possible till the point Notes Client user interface can be expanded on the screen. It also introduces filter for your search. Click search filter. There is a time frame filter and attachment filter. Suppose we select time frame filter this week and attachment filter has attachments. Click on set filter. Now if we select test user 1 and search, it displays result with respect to test user 1/acme in the inbox with the specified filter criteria. We can see it display an email that has attachment received this week from a test user 1. You can see the user-friendly query in the search this view area. In case you want to clear the search history, select preferences from the search center, preferences. Here clear history or uncheck enable history option to do not maintain the history. Clear history, click OK. We can see search history is not available. I hope this video demonstrates the improvement in Advanced Search Center option in Notes V12.